Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you the new Windows 11 KB5095093 update, how to download it, and the new features coming early before the official July 2026 Patch Tuesday release. What is KB5095093? Microsoft has released Windows 11 KB5095093, build 26200.8737 as an optional preview update for Windows 11 versions 25H2 and 24H2. This update includes bug fixes, performance improvements, and several new features that will officially arrive in July 2026. New features. Some of the biggest additions in this update include the new point-in-time restore recovery feature, better controls for pausing Windows updates, improved widgets that are less distracting, screen tint accessibility enhancements, Bluetooth reliability and audio improvements, faster File Explorer performance, fixes for touchpad, printing, Windows subsystem for Linux, and multi-monitor setups, better stability for File Explorer and the taskbar. How to install the update. To install the update, open Settings, click Windows Update. Turn on Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Click Check for updates. Select Download and Install. Finally, click Restart Now. You can also download the standalone MSU installer directly from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Should you install it? Since this is an optional preview update, you don't have to install it immediately. If you want early access to the new features or need one of the fixes included in this release, then it's worth installing. Otherwise, you can wait until July 14th, 2026, when Microsoft releases these improvements automatically through the regular monthly update. That's it for today's video. If you found this update guide helpful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.